Hello, this is Becky. Welcome back to my channel, and today let's talk about pet portraits. Yes, it's all the craze. I love them. Do you love your pets too? I've had some people reach out to me asking if I would paint them a custom pet portrait. I love teaching people how to create, and I have so much stress and anxiety about creating for others. I think one reason that painting pets makes me so nervous is because people love their beloved pets. I just want to make sure that the painting that I can create is a representation of their pet in an appropriate manner. I'm excited to show you how this goes. It's scary. I'm going to show you the picture that they sent me. Where is it? Let me find it. What do you think? Aww, such a cute little puppy. I'm going to speed things up. I'll kind of talk you through it as I go, and we'll see what happens with the video. Let's get started. I'm just going to start by laying down some blue and white for the background to give the appearance of a sky. Being careful not to go over my pencil drawing here. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of grass to the bottom part of the picture. I also am planning to cover the sides of the canvas. That way it is a complete picture that can be hung on the wall just as is. And this is where things might get a little bit creepy here. I'm going to start putting in the darker colors of the face, that way if I need to adjust anything later. And I'm going to make him into a little happy puppy. This is so embarrassing. But you know, you got to start somewhere, so let's just keep on moving. I like the little mustache. Gonna be putting in all of the undercolor, getting that gray look so I can add highlights and lowlights over the top of it. Looking at the picture close up, I noticed that the dog does have some brown mixed in with his fur, and so I just wanted to add some of those colors in. And this is where really a lot of the details are going to start to take place. So I'm going to start adding a lot of shading, working on the tongue, getting it to look like there is a little reflection in there and some shadows inside of the mouth. He's finally starting to get somewhere, but I still have a lot of details to do, but I do like to make a comparison of the original picture. What do you think? I did notice some of my highlights were a little too red, so now I'm going to be adding in more of a yellowish tan color, and this is the part that I love the most, when I'm bringing in those highlights that are really going to start emphasizing what his fur actually looks like.
down the home stretch. We're gonna be putting some little highlights on his nose and then finally finishing up those eyes. Oh, they definitely did need some help. So I'm gonna just be rounding them out, and then I'm gonna add some white in there just to bring back the shine so it looks like he's got a reflection of the light in his eyes. I have to say, I think it turned out pretty good looking at the hairs on his cute little face. You can see my signature right there, RTW, and I am pretty happy with how this turned out. Fingers crossed the customer will like it too.
All right, welcome back. Do you think it turned out? If so, comment below. I think he's so cute. He or she, actually. I should probably figure out if it's a boy or a girl. I decided to put in a couple extra clouds because I had some paint on my hand that ended up setting down right here. So voila, there's just a little bit more clouds in the day. Do you think I got the resemblance okay? If you would like to see more time-lapse paintings, please comment below time-lapse paintings. I would love to have your input on future videos that I create. Next week, Thursday, I will be sharing a palette wood project that I created. I'll be creating that for you to watch next week. I need to do something with palette wood, and I love farmhouse. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you liked what you saw today, I would love it if you would subscribe. That way you can see other cool, fun videos that I create all about art. And click that bell icon so you'll be notified when new videos are posted. I swear, I thought he was just talking. It looked like his mouth was moving. Weird. Crazy. Craziness. If you love watching people paint, when I paint a palette wood picture, I need something, I don't know. Weird.